Yin Yoga Frog. This particular pose is a great hip opener, a great groin opener, stretching off the adductors. Great way to improve your hip flexibility, because the adductor muscles, there's a group of 7, play a massive part in your hip mobility or lack of thereof. Most people tend to be tight, very, very rarely within this type of position. So you may want some, so when Tanya's on the mat for this, so her knees are supported. I've got some cushioning. Depending on your flexibility, to make it slightly easier as well, you may want the bolster underneath your head, underneath your torso. Now with the arms stretched out in front, again as always, you're bringing into it the heart meridian and the lung meridian. The arms extended out. So, let's get into this pose. So we're going to start in a child pose. You're going to slide both hands forward, separate the knees, but remain sitting on the heels. Now this is also known as the tadpole. You widen your knees as far as comfortable. And then we start to bring out the feet so that the ankles are in a line with your knees, almost like a right angle as much as we can. Flex your feet so your toes point out to your sides. So it's almost like you're trying to recreate right angle. So the knees are in line with the hips, in line with each other. Your knees, the angle is at a right angle with your feet flexed back. And that's the frog.